The comparative in French is one way. So let me say for the first time, it happened to be much easier than in English. Le comparatif. Le comparatif. Le comparatif peut être en trois modes. It can be in three modes. En trois modes. On a l'égalité, equality. On a le supérieur, la supériorité. Et on a l'infériorité. Coming to the long adjectives. The rule with the English, long and short, first must know doesn't exist in French. That means all the adjectives I'm giving you, or that you know, when you want to express comparative or superlative in French, take them all equally. Now, what you must take up or think about is the idea you want to give. Let's say if you want to compare in terms of greatness, like is more than. So we have what you call more than in English. More than. En français, c'est quoi? Oui. Très bien. Plus que. Non. Le principe est le même. The principle is the same. In English, more than. In between there's something which is the adjective, right? The same thing in French. So, dans ce cas, in this case, que we use alone to refer to than. So this is another meaning of que. Now let's say you want to go for inferiority. To say less than. What will you say? Oui. Moins que. Merci. Donc, less than, c'est moins que. C'est clair? Non. Le dernier, c'est l'égalité. In English, it's as. In French, what? Oui? Aussi que. Opposé pour elle. Donc, as. Give what? Aussi que. Ici, vous remarquez que, just like in English, you use words that have other meaning in the context. Aussi means also. One is alone. But when you see aussi followed by que in the same sentence, it doesn't have the also meaning there. You refer to what? Equality. C'est clair? Regardons des exemples. Martine est aussi joviale qu'Alberta. Martine is as happy as Alberta. In other words, both of them always are joyful. D'accord? Donc, exemple? Martine est aussi joviale qu'Alberta. Ici, que est devenu que apostrophe. Because the noun that came after was starting with a verb. C'est clair? Now then give me this noun in French, let me see what you say. Let's say he is less talkative than Daniel. He is less talkative than Daniel. No, let me take you off. La Blanche, je sais pas comment dire. Gabriella is less talkative. Don't forget. Is it true? Let's say for miracle. Gabriella is less talkative than Daniel. Pardon? I change the verb. Which verb do you mean? Talkative is a verb. The adjective you mean. Non talkative? Bavard. Bavard. Oui, Féron.
Gabriela est moins bavard que Daniel.
Applaudissez pour lui. C'est clair. Donc, il dit Gabriela est moins. D'accord? Écoutez, bavard est l'adjectif, mais c'est masculin. Gabriela est une fille féminine. Donc, l'adjectif doit devenir quoi? Féminin. D'accord? Donc on va dire bavard. Que Daniel. D'accord? Gabriela est moins bavarde que Daniel. Disons un autre exemple. Another example. John Terry or John is more famous than quoi? Yebo. No, forget that one, Yebo. It's funny. Is that your name? The nickname? No, come on. No. John is more famous than Kwabena. Is there Kwabena here? Who is Kwabena? Okay. Okay, wait. John is more famous. I think you take about famous. C'est pas famous en français. Famous. Populaire. On peut aussi dire célèbre. Célèbre. Donc, who can give me the sentence? John is more famous than Kwabena. Oui, mon petit. Pardon? Take your time. John. Parle fort. Louder. Applaudissez. Okay. By the way, John different is Jean. Let me write Jean. Jean est plus célèbre que Kwabena. I hope the spelling is correct. Kwabena. C'est clair? C'est clair? Est-ce que c'est difficile? Is it difficult? C'est clair? Now, randomly, I want one person to volunteer. I will call you by name and form a sentence using what I choose. If I say aussi que, it means your sentence need to compare something that are equal. I mean things that are equal or people. D'accord? Okay? Okay? Yeah.